Hey guys, welcome to Unplug Technology. This is Tech Savvy and today's video is dedicated to a really great pair of headphones under a really good price. So let's jump into the video and see what this video is all about. So this is the JBL C150SI headphones, a really good pair of headphones from a great company, which retails around 800 rupees or $15 in Amazon. If you really want to check the product, then the links will be in the description below as always. And guys, please do note to subscribe my channel right now because there will be more videos like this, more reviews like this. So please get subscribed. Now opening up the package, we found these headphones. There is also this included ear tips of different size which will fit according to your ear canal, and also these manuals, you know what to do with these things. So this is all the content of this package, which is not much but it's simple. Coming to the build quality of these earphones, it is made out with this glossy plastic which really looks good, and it is a really good quality plastic. The wire seems really durable, though if they use a tangle free wire that will be much better. The button feels tactile and it serves few functions of this headphone. Coming through the end of the wire, there is the 3-pin plug which is gold plated, which is good for great connectivity. So according to me, the quality of the product is good, but it is not great or it is not too much extraordinary. Now talking about the fit of the earphone, it fit really well in my ears with the medium ear tips included in the headphone. But there is also two more options or ear tips for other people if the middle one does not fit in their ears. Now talking about the inline microphone of these earphones, the inline microphone of these earphones are really great. The sound is loud and clear. There is literally no distortion in both the ends, but there is one problem that it takes a little amount of background noise, and if you tap these wires or when you are moving, if the wires move, it takes a little amount of noise. So that is one con thing, but the sound quality is really clear, so you can take calls in these earphones. Now talking about the sound quality of these earphones, the sound quality of these earphones are really good. The bass is well defined, the mids and the lows are really well balanced. It is at that point where it should be, but there is a con that the vocals is not that much good. Okay, that is considerable at this price range. So it is a really well balanced earphones at this price range. If you are a really casual listener, this is a really great option for you at this price range. So you can obviously get these earphones after Sennheiser CX180. This is probably one of the best earphones in this price range, and it also has this mic, and that earphone doesn't have mic. So a really great option for all of you. You can buy that and you can use that. I am sure that you will get a good experience with these earphones. So guys, if you like this video, give a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel because that will help my channel to grow, and you will get really good content in this channel. So please do subscribe this channel. It will help us to grow this family and make it a bigger one. So this is your Tech Savvy. I am signing off. Bye.